Okay, it's 1:07 on Thursdays the 16th in Happy Camp, California. Cleared the trees with the snow, made a path for feet, cleared the cement walkway. I cleared the steps, but it keeps on falling off the roof and refilling the things. Let's see how deep it is. It's almost as deep as my hand. This is my older spot, but I don't know which one is deeper or which one is more accurate. Trees have been falling all day. Sounds kind of like a gunshot. Might be a gunshot, but there's definitely a lot of those going down. Trees, to be specific. It's not fun. This is the first snowstorm of this year in this town. They've probably shoveled it or plowed the roads about 5 times so far. There's gonna be a lot more because it's still snowing. It was a lot not snowing as much now, but it definitely still is. I've had to power off 5 times so far, I think.
Super Emma just went to sleep, Sitter Kate. When we realized she was battling sensitive skin, we switched to Tide Pods Green Gentle. It's gentle on her skin, and dermatologist recommended. Tide.
It's been about 5 times that the power's been out so far, and the longest one so far was about an hour, so yeah. Okay, bye.